Hello everybody, welcome to Sociology 200, Introduction to Sociology. I am Brian Mitchell. I will be your instructor for the next 5 weeks, and I look forward to meeting all of you. And so welcome to the course. I'm going to take a few moments here to just kind of inform you about some of the things we'll be doing, especially here as we begin week one. And then over the course of this week, I look forward to meeting each of you and getting to know each of you. So week one, the first thing you'll notice, or you should notice, is the syllabus, and the syllabus is there on the home page. The first activity you will work on will be the day one check-in activity. This is a fairly simple activity, but the expectation is that you finish it on day one, on Monday. And this also gives us an opportunity to get to know one another and for you to hopefully get to know me a little better. Um, Along those lines, contact information is very important, and so you can find that in that page. I've provided my personal cell phone number, so you can certainly text or call me if you have something related to the course and need to speak with me directly. I will get back to you though very quickly. 24 hours is the general rule. I can just about guarantee I'll get back to you sooner than that in most cases. The weeks generally flow in the same sort of way. After you do the day one check-in, you'll have a discussion, an assignment, a quiz, and in weeks 1 and 3, you'll have a very brief check your understanding quiz, which we'll kind of get to in a second. Um, Week 1, we're going to get into chapters on the overview of sociology and on culture. So in the overview of sociology, this is obviously an introductory chapter. You'll be exposed to, for instance, some of the major theorists in sociology and some of the basic terminology. Culture is something I think you all are familiar with, and we'll talk about and discuss culture and its relation to society and so forth. Um, some other important things. We do a weekly live virtual classroom, and I've tentatively scheduled that for Wednesdays at 6 p.m. But I don't know any of you yet, so I want to know what your schedules are and what time will work maybe best for as many people as possible. I am fairly flexible and available in general throughout the day and into the early evening. And so as I get to know you over these first few days, we'll kind of settle in on a good time. If everybody shows up on Wednesday, wonderful. If it's just me and a few students, we'll look at maybe ways to improve the attendance for those sessions. Beyond all of that, I'm available and here for your questions and comments. If you run into any problems, please reach out to me. If you are struggling with the material, please reach out to me. Communication is important, and I'm very easy to reach, so don't hesitate to do that. So with that in mind, I'll let you get into week one, and I will see hopefully all of you on the discussion forums and in the live classroom on Wednesday evening.